Hi there, I'm Becca Denti from Conga, and I'm one of the Salesforce MVPs. I'm actually lucky enough today to be talking with one of the alliance partners of Conga, Silverline, and I'm actually talking with Scott today about Silverline's new product on the App Exchange, WaterCooler. Scott, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi Becca, nice to be with you today. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk about the WaterCooler, our social intranet application for Salesforce, available on the App Exchange. Looking forward to talking to you about it today.
If you were going to just describe the WaterCooler in 3 words, what 3 words would you pick to explain to someone what it is that WaterCooler can do for their organization?
It's easy, it's social, and it's modular, right? It's easy to install, it's easy to configure and set up, and it's easy to use. So that was one key thing that we wanted, to make it easy for people to install it, to try it out, to be able to configure it. So you can install it in a matter of minutes, do basic configuration in about an hour, and within 30 days or less, you can have your full-blown intranet solution deployed to all your users.
Sounds perfect. I mean, I would definitely use a tool like this. But enough talking, why don't we go in and see a demo?
So let's go through a quick demo. Here I am in Salesforce, and to get started I'm going to click on the Intranet tab here. That's going to launch the WaterCooler. I could also launch directly into there using my Salesforce login. And you can see when you install off the App Exchange, there's going to be a whole bunch of pages that are already going to be created for you, and you can brand this page to be however you want using your own logo and color scheme. The page is created from a number of different elements that we call widgets, as we talked about. So as an intranet administrator, I can go into my layout editor and you can see how the page is made up. And if I want to add a new element to the page, I simply drag it here into the layout editor, position it where I want on the page, and click Save. And that element is now added to my page. I didn't have to be a web designer in order to make that happen. So quickly taking a look through some of the other things that we have here. So these are a number of pages that we made. This is an example of a news and media page that's showing embedded content like Twitter feeds and YouTube videos. We can show documents using Salesforce CRM content. Your employee directory shows all your users and can show their specialties. And you can even embed things like dashboards and other aspects of Salesforce because you're on the platform.
That's actually incredible. You know, I really love, as an admin, I love how easy this looks to set up, but as an end user and someone who would be consuming this information, I love how easy it is to navigate. That looks so clean, so simple. I'm in a software tool that I already know how to get around, and this is just a nice slick layer on top where I can navigate my intranet and find the information I need quickly and easily.
Right, very simple to create new pages. You can access this from the desktop, you can access it from a mobile device. It gives you everything you need, and the Salesforce platform is a big part of that. One login, your normal Salesforce login gets you in. You get all the reliability of the platform, the remote access capability, all the security. So, those folks who have already invested in the cloud-based Salesforce platform and understand the benefits there will clearly understand the benefits of having an intranet solution based on the same platform.
Fantastic. Scott, thank you so much for joining me for this Skype call and helping me and everybody else to learn a little bit more about Silverline and to learn more about WaterCooler. Thank you so much.
Thanks very much for having me.